Everyone, hoping that you all are doing fine. So guys, in this particular video we will discuss about the off campus opportunity. Okay guys, as you know that I have already taken several sessions on you can say that on campus. Okay, but in this particular video I will discuss about the sources where we can easily get the opportunities from off campus. Okay, as you know that guys, in every aspect we have to need or accept the reality. Okay, as you know that if for example 1000 candidate is going to appear for campus placement, so we need to accept the reality. Means the selection percentage from 30 to 40 means 30%, 35% or 40%. Okay, I am not giving you any wrong information, or you can say that I am providing you a disappointment. Okay, the my reason is that from where we can easily get the off campus opportunities. Okay, we need to accept the reality. Suppose 1000 student is going for the campus, at least 300, 350 and 400 only candidate will get placed in campus placement. Okay, the remaining himself or herself student need to get placed himself or herself. Okay, hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, so what will be the sources? So guys, in this video I will discuss. Okay, so guys, in each and every session of my campus I have already told that during your study you need to build your network. Okay, as you know that there is a quote, network build your net worth. Okay, so during your study you need to make more friends. Okay, either he or she, you need to ignore these aspects. Okay, you need to build your network during your study, during your articleship, or during your, you can say that whatever the training session provided by organized institute time to time. Okay, so you need to build your friends. Okay, for example, suppose after campus, okay, those candidate not selected unfortunately. Okay, so they need to search. Okay, from them some of the student, some of the candidate working in Genpact, Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro, ITC, Nestle. Okay, so they can also share with some of the opportunities arising within the organizations. Okay, so yes, you need to build your network. So now I am giving some of the you can say that key sources from where you can easily get the opportunities. So LinkedIn and Naukri.com is one of the best sources which I can share you. Okay, and I can delegate you. Apart from this, you can say that from Facebook we have a Facebook, lot of CMA fraternity are also sharing the opportunities, like our respected sir CMA Harshad Deshpande sir is also sharing the opportunities. Okay, apart from this, you can say that one of our CMA fraternity, Sajjad, is doing great work. You can also join the Telegram channel like CMA update, and in Facebook page CMA update. Okay, apart from this I am also sharing some of the opportunities from wherever I get the opportunities, so that most of the student get the benefit. Okay, I have also created a FB page like pathway to CMA. If you like, you can also see the opportunities where I am sharing. Okay, apart from this, after watching this video you have any doubt, you can ask me. Apart from the remaining two sources, LinkedIn and Naukri.com is the best sources as per my opinion. Apart from this, there are many sources like Monster, Indeed, Shine.com, Fresher World. Okay, these are the also the best sources, but Naukri.com and LinkedIn. Okay, you have to create your more and more connection with professionals on LinkedIn. Okay, they share from time to time opportunities. Whatever opportunities you like according to your profile, you can mail and you can share your resume. Okay, hoping that you are getting my point. Apart from this, as you know that Sajjad has already created a Telegram channel where he sharing lot many opportunities in the name of CMA update. You can CMA update you can easily find. Apart from the remaining, CMA fraternity is also sharing opportunities. Wherever you find the relevant opportunity for you, you can find. Okay, so I am concluding the video guys. Yes, off campus opportunities, we have to build our network during our study. Okay, we our main focus, yes, I am asserting that our main focus is to complete our CMA syllabus or course as soon as possible, but apart from this we also create our network. Okay, as you know that after clearing the final exam, these network will work. Okay, so hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, Naukri.com and LinkedIn, you have to create more and more collection on LinkedIn. Apart from this, Shine.com, Fresher World or Indeed, these are also the relevant sources. Okay, apart from this, in Facebook also we are sharing lot of many opportunities. You have also seen that I also, from wherever I get the opportunities, mostly I also share. Okay, apart from this, Sajjad is doing great work. Apart from this, remaining many CMA fraternity are doing great work. Okay, so hoping that you are getting my point. Apart from this, and after watching this video you have any doubt, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. And apart from this, I will also come up with the remaining campus placement session. Okay, so for today that's all about in this video, and bye guys.